What's good, y'all? It's your boy Thomas Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness, and I'm gladly here with y'all once again, back at it again with another video. So, I got a list of videos that I do want to make for the YouTube channel so I can help the channel grow some more and help more people out there. I'm still staying strong on my SR journey. I just haven't been making SR content because I've been wanting to speak on a lot of different things that I see when it comes down to this matrix, as far as like the job system, investing your money, things of that nature. And I know some people will care about the SR journey, but majority of people literally don't care, honestly. But with that being said, today's video I am going to talk about people who really need to generate cash flow and own assets, because these times are continuously getting tough. The cost of living has been extreme. That's for everybody. And you're not gonna make it out here just working one job. Now the reason why I'm telling you that is because majority of people think that the job is going to save them and bring them this sense of security, financially. And to be honest with you, bro, it's not. There's many people that's getting replaced by AI, which is crazy. There's plenty of jobs that's paying the bare minimum but expecting maximum effort, which is crazy. And the more that you're able to see through the matrix, the more that you're able to see how the system truly favors the rich and wealthy, which is truly what we all are, bro. Like internally, we are all rich in spirit. We are all wealthy in spirit, and you just gotta manifest the money. You gotta go out there and get it. Another reason why I tell you guys to invest your money, which I can't tell y'all what to do. Y'all gonna do what y'all want to do, but I would advise that you invest your money, is because that's really how you're gonna learn how to beat inflation. You're teaching yourself a high income skill. Owning assets is how you have your money grow. Now, some people may ask me, well, what apps do you use? I told you this before, and I'll tell you that again. I study the charts using Yahoo Finance and TradingView, and my brokerage that I use is the Stash app. I can research any other brokerages that you guys may want to use, but I just know that it's vitally important for people to learn how to put their money to work, because living paycheck to paycheck is honestly not cool, and you have to be able to see through the financial matrix. Now, the financial matrix is you work the job, you work for 20, 25 years, 30 years, you get a little retirement party, you get a pension, and then you live the rest of your life. So all you did was work and get paid the bare minimum, and that's it. But you never had nothing work for you. You probably didn't know about cash flow. I get it, you can get a 401k, but your 401k depends on that job. So if you lose that job, you then lose the 401k, you lose your benefits. Everything it's like your life is attached to the job. But you don't want to live a life of like constraint. Like, you don't want to live a life of like, these people control your life, These people meaning the people that you work for. You want to be able to be a self-sufficient person and to use your creative energy the right way so that you are able to fend for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Now, I get it, like, it does get gritty, trying to be an entrepreneur or trying to make it on the internet, or, for some people that's working in the gig economy, which I still do on my days off. It's not the easiest thing to do, right? But you gotta make a way. Now, there is stability, right, with the W-2, which is understandable. You know how much you're getting paid every 2 weeks. But like I said, you want to think beyond that. Like, you don't always want to think like an employee. You want to learn how to think like an investor. And an investor thinks, how can I put this money to work? How can I have it grow? How can I generate cash flow? How can I own way more assets, own businesses in the stock market? How can I do that? You know what I'm saying? The regular employee just thinks, I'm going to make this amount of money. It's going to go towards whatever it has to go towards. And then I'm going to have a little bit for myself. And then I'm going to wait 2 weeks for a check. You know? So it's different mindsets. And in order to build wealth, in order to get wealthy, in order to even learn how to make more money, you have to shift your mentality. You've been programmed to have a scarcity mentality when it comes down to money. That's the honest to God truth. And I knew that because I had a scarcity mentality. Honestly. You know? And I'm still working on that every day. Because it's deep programming, it's deep conditioning. And I'm not a person that just came from a whole bunch of money. Like, I'm not that. Like, you know, I'm learning life every day. I'm making an honest living. And I'm studying my craft, trying to get better at it. You know? And it's like short-term sacrifices for long-term gains. I tell you all the time, I don't go out, I don't go partying, I don't go hanging out with a whole bunch of people. I don't do none of that. I stay to myself a lot. You know? And I study the charts. Like my life depends on it, because honestly it does. Like my financial life depends on it. I need money working for me. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody's financial life is in their hands. It's not in the hands of other people. And I listen to you know, people that are where I want to be. You know? Multi-millionaires, billionaires, because they have the mentality of, bruh, it is more than enough money out here for everybody, but the average person has the mentality of there's not enough. Automatically thinking lack. You know? So you have to invest your money. It's very, very vital. You cannot expect the job to save you. You just can't, because they can play with your hours. They can, you know, easily replace you. The jobs do layoffs every year. We see it, you know? So if you're not generating income outside of the job, if you're not making money while you're sleeping, you're not going to get ahead the way that you want to get ahead. We're so used to like hourly wages that we don't think beyond that. I get paid X amount of dollars per hour, however much to take out of taxes and how much to take out of taxes, which is annoying. And this is what you left with on your check after 2 weeks. And then half of the check is gone because you guys take care of responsibilities. So you have to think beyond the hourly wages, bro. Challenge yourself to make what you make per hour. Challenge yourself to make that in the markets, because you can. Challenge yourself to own real estate in the stock market so that you're generating cash flow every month, because you can do it, bro. There's nobody that's telling you cannot do it. It's just how you looking at money, because it's a tool. Money is a tool, bro. It's nothing to be scared of. It's nothing to feel like it's not enough of. And it's not, oh, I'm a bad person if I want to make more money and I want to take care of myself. Nah, you've been programmed to think that. Anytime somebody mentions something about money or rich people, sometimes people cringe or they have this like bad feeling because they've been programmed to think such negative thoughts about money. Some people don't even think that they can get rich or wealthy, and that's a sad thing. Like, how do you not believe in yourself, bro? Because you've been conditioned from other people. So then when you see somebody else doing something that you want to do, you automatically get jealous. And that's whack. You know? So start investing your money. Put your money to work. Let it grow. Delay your gratification. Stay disciplined. And take the journey one day at a time. You know? This is just a quick message for the YouTube channel. I got more content to put out. I gotta, you know, keep the views up and keep the watch hours up. Because it's been going down a little bit, to be honest, but it'll pick back up, though. I believe in it. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, most importantly, subscribe. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.